If you have diabetes, you've probably been told to cut back on salt. But what about Celtic sea salt? What is Celtic sea salt? Celtic sea salt is a mineral-rich, unrefined salt harvested from the coastal regions of France. It's gray in color and retains natural trace minerals like magnesium and potassium. Is it better for diabetics? Unlike regular table salt, Celtic sea salt isn't heavily processed and contains more minerals. This can help support electrolyte balance, which is important for diabetics, especially those managing blood pressure. How much is safe? Even healthier salt needs portion control. For diabetics, the American Heart Association recommends no more than 1,500 milligrams of sodium per day. Celtic sea salt is a better alternative to table salt, but it's still salt. Use mindfully, stay hydrated, and always talk to your doctor. Choose quality. Control quantity. Follow for more smart swaps for diabetes.